Hey guys, greetings to everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a table cleaning with the bleach. I'm going to use bleach. This table I use it every day for everything that is happening in the kitchen. So as you can see, this cover up is not covering the whole table and it's leaving the small pieces on the side of the table, so it makes it looks brown. I do wipe it now and then, and it means that is not enough. So I am going to give it a pure white cleaning. I'm going to use bleach that I always use in my cleaning motivation videos. So I used to clean it with handy, but I don't think I was doing it enough, or I was soaking it enough. But today I am going to try bleach. I'm just going to pour in raw bleach here on the table and soak it for a few minutes, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and see what happens later. So this is the bleach that I'm going to use, and this is a house brand bought from Checkers. I do normally share it on my grocery hauls. So this table, it must go back to its whitening color. Let's start let's start working, guys. This is the description from the bleach. It has got this and that. As you can see, you can read it for yourself, guys. I made sure that this clip is long enough for you to can read the whole duties that this bleach can do. So what's happening now is that I am pouring literally raw bleach there, and I'm spreading it all over the stained parts so that it can soak and soak and soak. Let's just put this to a test and see. I didn't record time, but I think it's almost 15 minutes later that I have soaked this table. Then I am going to wear my glove to protect my hands from the bleach, because it might be harsh on my hands. So let's start scrubbing, and I am going to put in some dish soap and scrub with a scrubbing sponge that I normally use when I clean my dishes. So let's give it a good scrub, guys. After wiping off the first, after wiping off the bleach and the soap, I could see it still needed to be scrubbed a little bit so that it can be a little bit whiter. And right now I am using all my power, guys. After all the power and the energy exerted on the table scrubbing it, I am happy with the results. This is the end product and it's back to white. As you can see, I'll put a before and an after. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you so much, and please subscribe to my channel.